If cockroaches have been stressing you in your kitchen, today I'm going to show you a powerful homemade solution using natural ingredients you already have at home. Let's get started. So these are my basic ingredients: some cloves, bay leaves, and also bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda. So the first step is to boil the cloves, okay? So first add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cloves into a small pot of water. Boil it for about 10 minutes, okay? This step is important because boiling helps release the strong natural oils inside the cloves. This smell is very powerful and cockroaches cannot stand it. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and allow it to cool for a bit. After cooling, the next thing to do is to strain the boiled cloves water into a bowl. After cooling, the next thing to do is to add the bicarbonate of soda into the cloves water. After adding, stir very well until it completely dissolves and there is no particles left. This is the main working ingredient. The smell from the cloves and bay leaf repels them, but the bicarbonate of soda is what actually does the job. After adding your bicarbonate of soda and mixing everything properly, the next thing to do is to pour your mixture into a clean spray bottle. You can use a funnel to make it easier and avoid spilling. Once I've transferred my mixture into the spray bottle, the next thing to do is to directly add the bay leaves into the mixture, okay? Bay leaves help to repel cockroaches because of their strong natural scent. Once everything is in, the next thing I did was to cover it and let it rest a little so that everything can be blended together. Give it a little shake before each use and your natural cockroach spray is ready. Apply or spray small amounts of these mixtures in area where cockroaches hide, like under the sink, behind the refrigerator, inside cabinets, dark corners, okay? This method is affordable, natural, and more safer than chemical sprays. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Ese Can Cook for more simple and powerful tips. See you in the next one. Bye.